Framatome Facilities, where we can do more together. Framatome is a major provider of services and engineering for both the local and global can-do market and provides employment for more than 300 people in Canada. Team members in our Ontario offices of Pickering and Kincardine focus on providing our clients with solutions related to nuclear services, engineering and systems, and conventional services and hardware. While in Montreal, we design and manufacture safety I&C systems for nuclear power plants throughout North America. Our facilities in Canada allow us to provide specialized programs such as outage services and optimization, heavy and mobile component replacement, installation of containment filtration venting systems, execution of boiler chemical cleans, high voltage maintenance, replacement and inspections, and I&C solutions for reliable long-term plant operations. As a local partner engaged in the community, the growth of our facilities demonstrates our commitment to the region's economic development. Our steam generator replacement team, a joint venture between Framatome, United E&C, and Aecon, is based in Kincardine, where engineers and workers with specialty skill sets for machining and welding are under the same roof as logistics, procurement, project management, and outage management. Our Weld Shop in Kincardine is home base for our mechanical nuclear services welding team, as well as our new mechanical construction team. Designed to meet unique Canadian code and regulatory requirements, the shop is where we can assess all packages for specialized and standard weld fabrication, pre-outage preparation, and R&D for all welding activities, including autogenous welding of steam generator instrumentation tubing. Isogen, a joint venture between Framatome and Kinectrix, provides and supports isotope production systems that harness nuclear energy from can-do reactors to generate a large and reliable supply of the medical isotope lutetium-177, used for a variety of cancer treatments. Isogen builds these systems, specially engineered and designed for use in reactors, at our state-of-the-art facility in Kincardine, which also serves as a training site for the program. Working out of both Kincardine and Pickering, Framatome's high-voltage team is an electrical refurbishment and replacement provider. Recently, the high-voltage electrical team has been integrated with our full nuclear services mechanical team to support Canadian utilities and execute critical projects. Our Pickering location is expanding after our recent acquisition of RCM Technologies' Nuclear Power Systems Division. This expands Framatome's capabilities in mechanical, civil, structural, architectural, and electrical engineering for can-do reactors, as well as procurement and construction for the nuclear energy industry, furthering our status as a single point of contact for EPC services. In Montreal, the Framatome team designs and manufactures safety I&C systems for nuclear power plants throughout North America. Our 27,000 square foot technical training center in Lynchburg, Virginia, is a full-scale wet environment fuel handling training facility offering technology to keep personnel, techniques, and designs up to date in the face of ever-changing regulatory and technological advances. At the TTC, we develop and implement integrated services and custom tooling that considers how maintenance and training evolve at our customer sites. Our 70,000 square foot pump and motor services center in Lynchburg has resources to inspect, repair, and refurbish all pumps, motors, and seals on site, with strict FME controls for code, safety-related, and commercial repairs. An extensive contaminated refurbishment center houses tooling and equipment for specialty maintenance services, contaminated machining, fabrication, welding, repair of aging components, and mass chemical decontamination. The Nuclear Parts Center in Lynchburg offers integrated procurement systems, IPS, extensive spare parts inventory, customer stocking programs, supply chain management, and technical support to North American utilities. Our fuel manufacturing facility in Richland, Washington, in operation for over 50 years, is positioned to design, develop, test, license, and produce fuel assemblies and core components for small modular and advanced reactors. Coupled with a world of innovative solutions and a dedicated staff of nuclear professionals, Framatome facilities across Canada and throughout North America are where we can do more together.